Right. So, guys, may dumating akong package ngayon. Actually, medyo kanina pa. And ngayon ko lang siya inakyat sa kwarto. And I've been waiting for this package for days. Araw-araw ko siyang tinatrack. And eto kasi guys, for context lang. Tong package na to, ito yung birthday gift ko for myself. And by the way pala, shout out kay Kuya Marvin. Siya yung laging nagde-deliver ng mga Shopee packages ko. And sabi niya kanina, shout out ko daw siya. So, Kuya Marvin, shout out. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay, let's unbox. Tara na guys. Unbox na natin to. I can't wait. Oh my God. Oh my gosh! I just got the Glow Face Palette from Dior and then yung Dior na Lip Glow. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! I'm so happy. Good morning. It's 11:40 AM and as you can see, sobrang liwanag sa kwarto ko ngayon kasi binukas ko yung dalawang blinds ko kasi nakita nyo naman dun sa mga clips kanina na napakalat at napakadumi ng kwarto ko. And ayun guys, maglilinis ako ng kwarto ko, pupulutin ko yung mga kalat sa floor ko, magva-vacuum ako, kaya tara.
Kissing in the front of my car, under the stars. I want you to know I'll take this love slow. How did you get so cool? I'm just a fool, falling for you. Don't wanna let you go. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas and love you every day. I spent so many tears waiting for this place. Now I want you to know I'll take this love slow.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do. I wanna.
So hi guys, good morning. It's 11:17 AM. Pupunta ako sa appointment ko for lash extension. So, naisip ko, hindi na lang ako mag-makeup masyado, ganyan. Maglalagay lang ako ng pabango ko. Ito yung Victoria's Secret na vanilla lace na inspired perfume.
Fuck you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke ass car and the shit you call art. Fuck you and your friends that I never see again. Everybody but your dog, you cannot fuck me.
So, hi guys! Good morning. It's Sunday, January 23. It's 10:37 a.m. And I'm just doing some skincare ngayon. And I'm using this Pacific Origin Salicylic Acid Toner. Ito yung bago nilang line, yung Salicylic Origin Red Line. And this one helps to calm down the irritation sa face mo. And tamang-tama kasi may mga acne marks pa rin ako rito. So, mas mapapahil niya ng mas mabilis yung mga ganong klaseng problems. Remember, kapag nagtutoner kayo, pataas nyo siya lagi ilalagay para hindi kayo magka-wrinkles. Guys, I have here some of my Shopee packages na dumating last week. And unbox ko na sila kasi this one, yung malaki, this is actually my side table. So, hindi ko pa siya ino-open talaga kasi gusto ko i-vlog kung paano ko siya buuin. And ayun guys, unbox ko lang to. And ito, para ma-set up ko na to agad kasi itong ay side table ko for my bed. So, ayan. Let's go. So guys, na-open ko na siya and ito yung mga parts niya. Akala ko nung una, maliit lang siya. Like, ganun lang. Pero malaki pala siya. I got this for around 600 pesos lang ata. Ito na lang may manual para mas madali kong maintindihan. Kasi medyo tanga po ako sa mga gantong bagay. Kaya guys, ito na yung side table ko. Nalagyan ko na rin siya ng mga gamit. Pero ito lang yung mga nalagay ko kasi may hinihintay pa akong lamp na ilalagay ko pa dito. So, sabi ko, hindi ko muna siya pupunuin kasi baka mawala ng space yung lamp. Yan. Tada! lang sa kwarto kasi nag-prepare ako ng merienda ko. It's currently 2:57 p.m. So, medyo nagutom kasi ako. So, I decided to prepare some merienda. And I have here strawberries. As you can see kanina, diba, nag-slice ako ng mga strawberries. And guys, actually, these are sent to me by Good Morning Korea, which is like a fruit seller sa Korea, but they actually export here in the Philippines. So if you're looking for fruits, they have like sweet persimmon, strawberries, and a lot more. Sobrang fresh and sobrang juicy nito mga strawberries na to, guys. So they really produce good quality fruits. So and guys, they actually sent me 3 sizes of their strawberries. So we have here the small one, and this is their medium-sized strawberries. And this is my personal favorite because it's really big, and this one is their large-sized strawberries. Yung mas bigger na size na strawberry, as in, ang laki na to, guys. Nagulat ako sa size niya. This one is called the Gumsil strawberry. This one is more sweet and juicy. The other one naman is yung normal size na nakikita nyo sa mga hypermarkets, ganyan. This one naman is called the Solyam strawberry. Normal size siya, and ang taste niya naman is more fresh and medyo maasim-asim siya. Kaya silang masarap. So, parehas ko silang favorite, guys. Ayun, I will be putting their details down in the description box para mas easier sa inyo. I will be putting their WhatsApp number, their social media accounts, their website down below because they actually ship worldwide. So, kahit saan pa kayo dyan, they can ship it to you. Ayun, if you guys are interested, check the description box lang. And, ayun, kakain ako nito, guys. Uubusin ko na to kasi ang sarap talaga niya. So, hi guys! Good evening! It's 9:42 p.m. and I decided ngayon to do some type of like get on ready with me session, ganon, kasi feel ko wala pa akong ganong klaseng video sa channel ko. Plus, Nacific actually sent me some of their new skincare products from their Origin Red Salicylic Acid line. So, we will try it out. I will be trying it with you guys. So, ayun. Let's start. Now guys, I just want to talk about the skincare line itself. So, what is the Origin Red Salicylic Acid line? This skincare line that they release, guys, is perfect if you have sensitive skin, irritated skin, or yung may mga redness ka sa skin mo kasi this will help soothe your skin, plus it can calm it down. So, ayun, yun yung main claim ng skincare line na to. So, the first product that I will be talking about is the Origin Red Salicylic Acid Serum. Nagamit ko siya after I cleanse my face. So, pagkatapos ko gamitin yung facial cleanser ko, tutuyuin ko yung mukha ko, and then I will apply this evenly on my face. And then after that, bababad ko siya ng 1 minute, and then maghintay-hintay lang ako. Then after the 1 minute, iwa-wash off ko na siya. So, super easy steps. Hindi siya hassle, so hindi kayo mako-confuse about it. Guys, what I love about this serum is it contains AHA and PHA. So those two ingredients are actually perfect peeling ingredients for your skin kasi naka-smooth siya. Plus, this serum can remove your dead skin cells and it can control your sebum production, which is perfect if you have acne-prone skin kasi sebum is one of the main factors kung ba't tayo nagkaka-pimples, kung ba't tayo nagkaka-acne. So, makokontrol na yung production na yun, which can really lessen your pimples and your acne. And guys, this also contains soothing ingredients that can be found in nature. So, mas nakakatulong to maka-heal ng mga acne scars, maka-soothe ng irritation sa face mo. So, if you have those kinds of problems, this serum, check out nyo na to, guys. Bubudulin ko na kayo dito, as in, this is really good. So, we're on to our second step, guys, and this one is the Salicylic Acid Toner. So, this is actually a pH 5.5 toner. So, Really perfect siya for sensitive skin, and this can also help soothe and calm down the irritation on your skin. Kasi guys, this whole skincare line, yun talaga yung main claim niya. So, lahat ng products na to, nakaka-soothe, nakaka-calm down ng irritation and ng redness sa skin. So, yan lang yung ginagawa ko sa kanya. Pa-upward motion lang yung ginagawa ko para maka-less ng wrinkles. Kasi guys, kapag pababa yung pag-apply nyo ng toner, nakaka-cause yun ng wrinkles. So, remember, always put your toner in an upward motion. So, natatanggal niya pa yung mga excess dirt sa face ko. And guys, same with the serum. This contains Dermaclera, which can moisturize your face and reduce the skin problems. Guys, let me add lang that this toner, this contains 5 kinds of Centella asiatica. So, actually, tawag nga nila dun is Super Centella kasi lahat ng kinds ng Centella asiatica, guys, ay nandito siya. 5 kinds, guys. And this can also strengthen your skin barrier. Plus, it can also regenerate your skin. So, kung medyo dull yung skin mo, ayan, perfect na perfect to for you. And guys, the third step that we're gonna do is the salicylic acid spot cream. So, ito guys, is a spot treatment. Ilalagay mo siya sa mga troubled areas mo like acne. Ayan, dito ko siya ilalagay. Ifo-focus ko siya sa noo ko kasi as you can see, may mga acne ako dyan, ganyan. So, guys, this spot cream actually is brightening and nakaka-anti-wrinkle siya. So, kung may mga wrinkles na kayo dyan, kung medyo stress kayo, ayan, this product, this spot cream is perfect for you. And guys, this also contains Dermaclera, niacinamide, cica, adenosine, and a lot more ingredients that can really help the irritation, especially acne-prone skin. And ayun guys, yun lang yung ginagawa ko with these 3 products, and super easy lang niya and quick. Pero mamaya may ilalagay pa akong face mask actually from the same skincare line, and nakaka-soothe din yun and nakaka-lessen ng skin irritation. Ilalagay ko lahat ng mga info and kung saan nyo ito mabibili in the description box. Same with social media accounts ng Nacific. So, make sure to check them out, guys, kasi sobrang promising ng brand na Nacific. They have a bunch of skincare products doon na perfect sa mga skin problems nyo. Pero, if you have skin irritation, acne-prone skin, go with the salicylic acid line. So, ayun. Yun lang, guys. Bye everyone, good night.
Missing someone.